Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a login problem on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve login problem on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Facebook app and you can click here in this page. Then this list of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can uninstall your app on Play Store and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.